announcement. So first of all, thank you to our community. We definitely could not be here without you. It's been now pretty much 13 months. Thank you to everybody. It's been a pleasure working with you all. We're glad to be here in 2021 and seeing the fruits of our labor. All of us have been here in crypto for a long time, and seeing Bitcoin from Black Thursday go from 3,000 to 40K, and now the whole world is basically piling in while we've been here waiting for this moment. So this is the moment we've all been waiting for. I also want to quickly comment on the indices. Yes, we are aware there have been some issues with the indices. We apologize for the issue. Thank you all for the patience. It's been basically a growing problem. However, we do think now we have resolved the issue. So if you log in, the indices now are resolved regardless of what time zone you're in. And then to also make sure this issue basically goes away, we have hired 2 new engineers. One engineer will focus full time on just quality assurance, and the other engineer will basically focus on the indices, on ML, and everything else, right? So we're a small team, about 20 people, growing fast. Bitcoin went from, because last time we had this live stream was on Christmas, pretty much the team, because our team is global. We have teams in London, India, all over America. We took some time off, right? And obviously during the holidays when people are with family and friends, and then when something breaks, there was basically a roadblock, right? So we definitely want to apologize to all our customers. If you had any issue with the indices where you could not access them or they weren't updating, just contact customer support and we will issue you a credit for the time where you weren't able to access the index. So if that's 1 month, we basically give you 1 month free. All you have to do is just open up a customer support ticket and let them know. I'm sorry. If you already had a support ticket, they can go through and issue you a credit, right? So want to make sure that anybody who's a customer is definitely making use of the indices. Okay, Bill, anything else to say on that?
Well, we appreciate everyone's business. We appreciate everyone's patience. I can remember interacting with our private group. We were on vacation, but the market wasn't. So I did everything possible to take care of our private group customers during the holidays. And we want to take care of all of our customers and our YouTube subscribers. So if you need our help, like I said, if you had a support ticket open, just know that, we appreciate your business and you're going to want to be with Token Metrics for 2021. Because we're going to have indices, price predictions, and guidance from humans. And it's something that's not out there in the market today, except right here. So stay with us.
All right, thank you, Bill.